So you've got my point now. When it comes to niching within our niche, when it comes to standing out from the crowd, when it comes to making sure that we are moving our competition aside by pushing ourselves up in a way that we are specializing to a certain segment within our particular community. There are 4 ways that you can niche within a niche. In fact, there are lots of ways, but I'm going to share just 4 of them with you here in this tutorial. And the first one is to create, first of all, a wish list of your ideal customers. So this might be ideal for you in terms of the type of money that they have. It could be that it's ideal for you in your interest in their field. It could be that you have experience in their industry sector. It may be that you've worked in that place before, you understand them the most, you've been doing the most amount of work there. Perhaps in your locality or region, they're the easiest to get, the cheapest to market to. So whatever your ideal customer is for you, there are no rules around this. This is a list of your wish list of people that you would most like to work with, you'd most enjoy working with. So first of all, write down a list, your wish list of the types of people, the types of businesses, or the types of communities that you want to work with. The next way of niching is to actually understand the difference between a field and a niche. Now, a field is the field that you work in. So, as an example, if you're a hairdresser, you work in the field of health and beauty, but your niche might be that you focus on men's haircuts. So your niche would be male appearance, for instance. So this is what we mean by getting this right. Another example might be, I've got one up here, perhaps you're in the field of testing and tagging or safety of electrical equipment, for instance, but your niche might be orthodontic practices. So you can see what I mean here about how your niche and your field can be completely worlds apart. They could be completely different. But think about that for you. So you know what your field is, what industry are you in, but what niche or field or industry are your customers in? And think about how you're going to then work to attract that particular segment of the community. Number 3 for niching within your niche is to draw upon your experience. You have a unique set of skills, background, understanding. You show how you understand your customers. Are you working with a group of people where you can literally, honestly, truly say, I know how you feel, I've been there, I've done that, I get it, I get you. How can you use your experience to help yourself niche within a particular industry? If I was a business consultant and I'd worked in corporate my whole life, perhaps I would consult corporates. If I was a business consultant that had worked in my own solopreneur business my whole life, been a one-man band show, then I might go and consult solopreneur business owners about how to grow. So you can see what I mean here about how we can take a field but really break that down in a way that's related to where we come from, related to the experience that we bring and the understanding we have of a particular group of people. Maybe we're doing some kind of coaching, for instance. Life coaching is so generic, and there are millions of coaches out there who say, I do life coaching. Okay, well, that is so highly competitive. There are so many people out there offering that. Perhaps you've been through a traumatic experience in your life. Perhaps you've overcome a significant challenge. Perhaps you've really broken through the odds in some way, or perhaps you've just you come about your interest in coaching through a particular life path. Then go and focus on helping other people who are trying to go through those same things that you have been through. So you can see how this can apply to every type of business, every type of sector and industry. How can your personal and professional experience come into helping you niche so that you can really own a segment?